Would you like to learn how to knit your first seamed sweater? Well, then Fornida, the child and the adult version, is exactly what you're looking for. Now, this we've set up as either a pattern or a workshop. When you get the workshop, there'll be the pattern for the adult and the child version. It is a really good way if you're newer to knitting, but you really want to learn how to knit a sweater, because it's in a chunky yarn, so the stitches are lovely and big and you can see them really easily. It obviously knits up a little bit more quickly. And through the whole lesson, we're going to be talking about how you can read your knitting, how you can count your rows, fix stitches if they get mixed up along the way, and how to actually work decreases and increases for both the neck and the side. And then of course, how you're going to go and finish it so that when you're done, you really like the entire sweater. So we'll be doing the seaming and how to block to finish the whole thing off. So all of that is going to be in the actual lesson. You can go, the workshop, if you're newer, is going to be the way you want to go, because of the fact that you're going to get both of the patterns and all of the directions. If you just want to jump in and do a very quick seamed sweater in a chunky weight, but you know how to knit already, then the pattern's there for you in either of the sizes. So hopefully these are going to be of interest to you if you want to get a nice quick sweater off your needles this year. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit different and you'd prefer to go seamless, then make sure you check out the next video we've got coming along, where we're going to look at the Amara sweater, which is a top-down raglan seamless sweater, again for newer knitters. So see you in the next lesson.